Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to mix 2-cycle fuel for your 2-cycle engine, whatever it may be, a lawnmower, a weed whacker, or a leaf blower. Alright guys, so the first thing you want to do is go to your local gas station and get ethanol-free gas for your gas, or in your gas can. So guys, it's fairly simple. You go to any Lowe's or Home Depot or a department store. In this case, we're using Husqvarna 2-cycle oil. Basically, what you're gonna do is you're gonna add this 2-cycle oil to a gas can, a 1-gallon gas can actually, that has ethanol-free gas in it. Now, if you don't have specifically this name brand, they still sell different size bottles. They sell bigger size bottles, and they also sell different brands where inside of the bottle packaging it actually has a measuring device that you pour into it, and then you pour into your gas can. So this video is actually for all applications. So basically, for 1 gallon, you would need about 2.6 ounces of this stuff in order to have a proper mixture. So I'm just gonna open this up. Dispose of contents that need to be disposed properly. I'm gonna pour the whole thing in here. After that, and now you're just gonna mix it. Alright, and one final tip is I recommend a keychain. You might be wondering why. You do not want to mix this and put this into your car accidentally if you have like an emergency, or put this in your lawnmower that's actually a 4-stroke engine. Okay? So what I recommend is, if you have the same size, same color gas can, you would need a keychain. All you're going to do is loop around, and now you know that it is for 2-cycle engines. And always, and I mean always, make sure you use ethanol-free gas. And if you do happen to have a 5-gallon canister, you would need 5 of these, because one of these is for 1 gallon of gas.
Not canceled. Guys, I'm Eddie B. 2064 turn right. Drive an attempt on the 6 Series.